Hi everyone. Kathy and I are about to get started on what I'm calling the Starbucks tour. But before I get into describing what that is, let me give you a little bit of background on how this came about. For the better part of a year now, we've been making a point of getting in the car every single day and going somewhere. We'll walk a rail trail, we'll go to a store, we'll run some errands or whatever. But more times than not, at the end of whatever we're doing, we'll stop at a Starbucks and we'll get something to drink and sit there a while and read our Kindles. So apparently, our son, Scott, and his wife, Courtney, picked up on that idea and they put together what we're going to be using as a Starbucks tour. Just to give you a little bit about what that is, they gave us this kit, which has in it, as you can see, it's got in it about 30 Starbucks gift cards, and each card has some kind of a clue on it so that you can read where it is and try to locate that particular Starbucks. Now, each clue, apparently what they did is they found the Starbucks in the area within a couple-hour drive of here, and they looked up something about the area to kind of give you some sort of clue on where that might be. And this one, for instance, says the hometown of Taylor Swift's. The town was also voted as one of the best places to live in Pennsylvania. So we would take that and we would try to figure out where that is, and then we would go and find that Starbucks and add it up on the list. Now, what we also got in the kit here is a map showing where all of these are. Okay, so we've got a map. You've got dots in here for where all of them are. And then if we have trouble with the clues, each of these cards is numbered, and there's a list in here that shows the numbers and gives you the address of the particular Starbucks, so that, if all else fails, we can go and use this list to try to locate them. So that's what we're going to be doing. This is a very imaginative and very well thought out process here. And it's going to be perfect for us on our daily drives to, just get in the car and go and find one of these places. And I hope to document what they all are and put it together in a video for all of you to share with all of you. So that's what we got, and we'll catch you on the next one.